How to add a sky background in Blender. The way you can add a sky in Blender is by giving it an environment texture. The way you can add that texture is by on this side panel right here. You press this, world, and on the surface, you go to this color, you press it, and then you press environment texture. Now for example's sakes, let's make this image the sky. Why would you want to do that? I don't know. This is just an example. But as you can see here, I've already chosen the texture, but nothing's coming up. Nothing changed. That's because we're still on this mode. Let's press this mode instead. As you can see, the sky has changed to the logo. Oh, there it is. That's the logo. As the sky. Now, if you want to properly get a sky texture, which is called an HDRI, there's a well-known website called HDRI Haven. Here you'll get a ton of free sky texture. For this example, let's press this Terrace by Medieval Shop. It's 96 megabytes because it's in 8K. For my example, I don't need something that high of a resolution, so I'm just going to press 1K. I'll download it. After that, I'll press that. I'll use that as the sky texture instead. And there you go. Now you have a sky texture in Blender. It's as easy as that.